Hey guys, I got a little unboxing today of some sunglasses, so let's take a look of what I got. So these sunglasses, as you can see on the box as well over here, they protect you from UVs. They have the anti-glare, which is really nice, environment friendly, perfect for driving. So great craftsmanship. So let's open them up. Let's see. Ooh, let's see what we got. I broke the box on accident. Let's see, ooh, okay, cool. So we have the sunglasses. So they come in here with the nice protectant of the plastic wrapping, which is nice so they don't get scratched up or anything. Ooh, look at how cool. How to put them on real quick. Look at that. So they're super cute. I chose the clear frame for these because I was like, I just want something different. These are different. I really like that instead of just the basic brown or black or metal framing. This one's clear, which is cute, can match with any outfit, and it has the mirrored outside so y'all can see. You can probably see my lighting in the background. It has the mirrored on the lenses, really cute type of kind of like a squoval, like a squarish lens. I really like it. Not too big, not too small with the lenses. I really like how it flatters my face shape as well. But yeah, love the clear right here. So let's take a look what else is in the box because I noticed some other things. So that's what I thought. It came with a cleansing cloth, which is really nice. To keep these in handy, leave it in your car, in your pocketbook, because especially with the mirrored one, sometimes you touch your sunglasses, your makeup or suntan lotion gets on there, and you want to keep your sunglasses looking fresh. So make sure to use your cleansing cloth to get off those smudges so you can see properly, especially while you're driving, and so you look nice and stylish. And of course, it comes with your little user manual and your polarized test card as well. So that is really nice so you can test out your sunglasses. Really nice, guys. Take a look again. What do y'all think? I'm loving the clear frames.